This is Flip TV. President Bola Tinubu has declared that his administration will show no mercy to terrorists, bandits, kidnappers, and those who finance or support violent crimes across Nigeria. The president made this strong declaration on Friday while presenting the 58.18 trillion naira 2026 appropriation bill to a joint session of the National Assembly in Abuja. The proposed budget, titled Budget of Consolidation, Renewed Resilience and Shared Prosperity, places security at the center of national development with 5.41 trillion naira allocated to defense and security, the single largest sectoral allocation in the budget. According to President Tinubu, this marks the third consecutive year that defense and security spending has taken top priority, reflecting his administration's resolve to restore peace and stability across the country. He announced a major reset of Nigeria's national security architecture, including the introduction of a new counter-terrorism doctrine anchored on unified command, intelligence gathering, community stability, and aggressive counter-insurgency operations. Under the new doctrine, all armed non-state actors operating outside the authority of the state, including bandits, militias, armed gangs, violent cult groups, forest-based fighters, and foreign-linked criminal networks, will now be officially classified as terrorists and treated as legitimate targets. President Tinubu warned that the government will also pursue individuals and networks that finance, facilitate, or profit from violence, insisting that security spending will be tied to accountability and measurable outcomes. Beyond security, the president allied key allocations in 2026 budget, with infrastructure receiving 3.56 trillion naira, education 3.52 trillion naira, and health and social services 2.48 trillion naira, noting that development cannot thrive without security. It disclosed that total projected revenue for 2026 stands at 34.33 trillion naira, while total expenditure is estimated at 58.18 trillion naira, leaving a budget deficit of 23.85 trillion naira, representing 4.28% of GDP. Tinubu also vowed to end Nigerians' long-standing practice of running multiple overlapping budgets, announcing that from 2026, the country will operate a single disciplined budget cycle with no rollover or abandoned projects. Acknowledging the economic hardships Nigerians face, the president said the reforms were necessary to stabilize the economy and lay the foundation for long-term growth, job creation, and rising incomes. National Assembly leaders, including Senate President Godswill Akpabio and Speaker Tajuddin Abbas, welcomed the proposal, expressing confidence that the budget will strengthen stability and restore economic confidence. This is Flip TV.